So let's bring on the men and let the fun begin. A little touch of sin, why wait another minute?
Oh, hey, you guys like my pink colors? They're fabulous. Like my pink camera. Well, I just wanted to say, I love Garrett.
Your double chin's showing. Ow!
I'm done.
'Cause now my life